I know what you're thinking. Bella, you just moved like 6 months ago. Indeed I did, and now I'm moving away. Hey guys, it's Bella, welcome back. Okay, let me explain what's happening. So I am moving to downtown Tampa, which is a dream. I love that place so much. So I'm moving there in 5 days, yay. Actually 6, sorry, I can't count. And now we have to pack up some of my stuff. I'm really thankful that it's only like a 45-minute kind of difference from where I'm living now. So that's good. It's definitely gonna be a very quick move. So, as you can tell, I just got back from Christmas at my parents' and there's a lot to do. First order of business, laundry. At this point, I think I'm just gonna stuff everything that I wore in this and lug it away. There are some sneakers that need to be retired, and when I say retired, I don't mean like get rid of. I just mean put in storage and go back to in 6 months to a year and see if I still want them, and then I'll sell them. So let's go through sneakers. And obviously after I purge all my sneakers, I'll do an updated sneaker collection for you guys. All right, this is what we're working with. There are so many sneakers in here. So all the ones I'm gonna keep and take to my apartment, I'm gonna leave on the rack. Other ones are going in here. This is already harder than I thought. These are my first pair of sneakers that I ever bought. These made me become a sneakerhead, but they're going away for now. I think for now I actually got a lot, and there's a lot of like empty spaces now, so I think I did pretty well. I just taped up a new box, so in this box I'm just gonna put like a bunch of random stuff. Like I have a lot of books that I need to go ahead and store away, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in this one. Okay, yeah, if you can't tell, I'm really into books. I'm gonna do like a book video soon on like my favorite ones. But I have all of them in here, and this is already like super heavy, so I'm just gonna cap it at this and maybe put like lighter things in it so it makes the books like stay good. Hey guys, this lighting is very insanely bright, but I wanted to hop on here and give you guys a quote of the day. And my quote of the day is actually a Bible verse, and it's Psalm 139:14. I love this Bible verse because it really just talks about how we are all so confident and uniquely made in the eyes of the Father. So I'm gonna give you guys that Bible verse and also give you guys a sneak peek because I'm on the balcony of my new apartment. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. Look how pretty. Oh my god, I live right in downtown Tampa. I love it. It's already been so nice and such a blessing, and I'm so excited for you guys to see more content for this move-in, and then honestly just what God has planned for me in this season of life. I'm so excited. And yeah, I love you guys with my whole entire heart, and I can't wait for you guys to see more and for you guys to be a part of this journey with me, because you guys are my favorite people of life. So I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye.